storm warning for northern Ross County, central Pickaway County, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:08 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Clarksburg, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Circleville, Asheville. In addition, Pickaway County Airport, Williamsport, Logan Elm Village, Fox, Darbyville, a W. Marion State Park and South Bloomfield are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILM and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.